Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to split the cell in your table in your LibreOffice site on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to split the table cell in your LibreOffice site, I'm just going to show in this video. So it's actually simple. First step, I just going to insert a table here. So I just inserted 3 into 3 table. So I just need to split this table cell into 2. So you have an option on the bottom section. Here you have this option to split cell, or you can just right click here, and here you can find option to split the cell. So just click on the split cell option, and I just need to split the cell into 2. So you can just choose if you just need to split it on a vertical manner, or you just need to become a horizontal manner. Just click on the vertical. So I just splitted the into vertically. So you have the split cell icon on the bottom. You can just use this too. So I just now here just going to split it horizontally. So you can just split it into horizontal. So now I just going to split into 3 here. So just giving 3 and into an equal proportion. So it will be equally splitted. Click OK. Now you can see this will be have the equal proportion. This is how you just split the cell in your LibreOffice writer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.